Every single day, millions of people eat foods they believe are healthy. But what those foods are silently damaging your body. Tonight, Dr. Square reveals 15 you need to stop believing.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dr. Square Animation Show. Today, things are getting serious because most of us eat foods every day without knowing what they actually do to our body. Joining us again, our health expert, Dr. Square. Thank you, Alex. I'm excited for today. Some food myths can genuinely harm long-term health. I already feel nervous because I think I believe many of them. Okay, doctor. First myth. Brown bread is always healthier than white bread. Not necessarily. Some brown breads are simply white bread with artificial coloring adtent. That's exactly why marketing fools people. Look at this hologram. The health claims on brown bread are often exaggerated. Myth number 2 is that the fruit juice beats soda every time, right? Surprisingly, not always. Packaged fruit juices can contain enormous sugar amounts, sometimes almost equal to soda. Oh, really? So what is the better option? Whole fruit and homemade fruit juice without added sugar is much better. Wait, so my daily orange juice habit might not be helping? Exactly. My grandmother still tells me eggs are dangerous. For most healthy individuals, eggs are excellent nutrition, high protein, healthy fats, important vitamins. Old cholesterol fears were exaggerated. I seriously didn't know this before. I hear this everywhere. If I eat after 8 p.m., I gain weight. No, what matters most is total calories, not the clock. Eating doesn't magically create fat. That just destroyed half the internet. Another myth is organic food has zero chemicals. Everything contains chemicals. Even water is a chemical. Organic doesn't mean chemical-free. That sounds insane. I never thought about it like that. Myth 6 is detox teas clean your body. Your liver already detoxifies your body. Most detox teas are simply marketing. So people are paying money for something their body already does? Exactly. Doctor, at this point, I'm scared to eat anything. No, Alex. Food isn't the enemy. Misinformation is. I'll take that as a compliment. Okay, doctor. I have to ask you something personal. That sounds dangerous. Go ahead. Do you actually follow every healthy food rule yourself? Absolutely not. I'm a doctor. Sometimes I eat pizza at midnight and ignore my own advice. Wait. So doctors break health rules too? Of course, the goal isn't perfection, it's balance. I think the audience just trusted you even more. That was my secret strategy. Myth 7 is microwave food is dangerous. Microwaves do not make food radioactive. They simply heat water molecules. You just ended a myth I've believed for years. Doctor, we've destroyed so many food myths. I'm officially confused. So tell me, if I eat this bag of chips right now, should I feel guilty? That depends. Is this your first bag or your third bag today? That's the 5th. That's the real health problem. Quantity, not occasional enjoyment. I was hoping you'd say chips are secretly a superfood. I'm good, but not magic. Myth 8 is tea makes you fat. Healthy fats are essential. Avocados, nuts, olive oil, all beneficial. Excess calories cause weight gain, not fat alone. I think social media lied to us. Myth number 9 is honey is always healthier than sugar. Honey still raises blood sugar. Natural sugar is still sugar. Moderation matters. I use honey in everything. This hurts. Another myth is gluten is bad for everyone. Only specific conditions like celiac disease require avoiding gluten. Healthy people usually tolerate gluten fine. Another internet myth destroyed. Another myth is energy drinks are safe daily. Too much caffeine can stress your heart, affect sleep, raise anxiety. Millions drink these every single day. Lower sugar does not automatically mean healthy overall. Habit patterns matter. This is shocking. Myth 12 is skipping meals helps weight loss. Intermittent fasting is something else, but skipping meals often causes overeating later. Sustainable nutrition matters more. Ooh, that explains my midnight hunger. Many people say sea salt is much healthier than normal salt. Nutritionally, differences are tiny. Too much sodium remains harmful. I paid extra money for sea salt. For nothing? Pretty much. Doctor, I've heard this since childhood. People say, if you eat fish and drink milk together, you can develop skin diseases, or even white patches on the skin. This is one of the oldest food myths. Stomach digests both foods normally. Wait, so generations of people believed this for absolutely no reason? Exactly. Sometimes culture creates myths that science never supports. I genuinely believe this one. Okay, doctor. Another one I hear all the time. People say, you should never eat fruit after meals because fruit starts rotting out your stomach. Is this true? No. That is completely false. Your stomach contains strong digestive acids. Food does not simply sit there and rot. Oh wow, so fruit isn't secretly fermenting inside me? No, Alex. Your stomach is much smarter than internet rumors. I think social media owes us an apology. I agree. Last myth is multivitamins replace good food. Supplements support nutrition. They cannot replace real balanced food. Whole foods provide complex nutrients pills cannot fully copy. I honestly believe vitamins could replace healthy eating. Real food always comes first. I can't believe how many myths I believed. This has honestly changed how I think about food. The biggest danger isn't unhealthy food. It's false information. Always verify health advice before trusting social media. If you learned something today and want more health myths exposed, subscribe to Dr. Square Animations, because truth can save your health.